hours and out, doubt them, but the one that stands performance to thousands without an out. If they want to battle, tell them a battle to me ain't a thing. I'm AKA Sonic by the way I sprint towards the ring. No armor, beat down a fully grown pinata. Now they're acting and singing.
Hitting every yellow on the LA Boulevard. Gas running low on my cap flow, slow down. Why would I seek this pavement slapping on my feet? And the bill collector knocking, always punching on my dreams for real. I know, running from the reals, putting holes in my soul for real. I know, running from the reals, putting holes in my soul. Tired of pretend, pound for them, push away like someone rising again. 3 years in the making and I'm still feeling that. 21 so young, see all my peers peeling back. Time to kill, no time to feel, we don't fuck with that now. We don't fuck with that now. We don't fuck with that now. We don't fuck with that now.
I got time to kill, but I'ma let it live on and on. This time unfulfilled is what's moving us along. And if time were still, nothing would change it all. To let it all unfold will play out like it always does. Yo, I got nowhere to be. Let's kick it back. Check it out. Yeah, the time's not killing me, so why would I fight it? I'm reclining back on the verge of unwinding. Herb giving me such an urge to go find it. Then I'm gonna grind it and light it. See, I'm a semi-pro and amateur is an option. Shooting for a goal, the quality on the conscience.